Welcome to today's news. UKPSC SI recruitment exam admit card released at official website. Uttarakhand Public Service Commission UKPSC will release admit cards for the Sub-Inspector, Civil Police, Intelligence Department, Fire Station, Second Officer and Platoon Commander, Male, PSC bar IRB exam 2024 on January 2, 2024. Candidates who have professionally qualified in the Physical Efficiency Test PET will be able to download the admit card using their login details. The examination will be conducted on January 12, Sunday. How to download UKPSC SI admit card? Visit the official website psc.uk.gov.in. Open the admit card tab on the home page. Open the admit card download link for the Sub-Inspector recruitment examination. Enter login details and submit. Download the admit card and take a printout.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.